I am. I am the living. I am the animals that runs next to you. From the first step on this planet, I am part of a complex and supply ecosystem. I belong to the earth, the forest, the ocean, and the sky. I am beautiful and mysterious. I am both the predator and the prey, often in motion. Nature is home to me. I like my loneliness, and I like being surrounded by my tribe. I am so many things at the same time. I am a bird singing and dancing with the clouds of the leopard, past faster than the wind. I am a lion with a crown, respected by all. I am an elephant and proud member of a herd. I am a tiger, alone, strong, smart, and beautiful. I am a gorilla whose behavior is a mystery to you. I am a whale, bigger than your imagination. I am a polar bear. My coat makes me invisible in the white desert. I am all species at the same time. I see, I listen, and I breathe. However, every day I disappear. In license. For your children, I become a memory. I am a voice you are not listening to, and very soon I will only be a legend. I am the living protects wild animals. You can protect your ecosystem.